So today we'll discuss the mineralogy previous year question from 2015 to 2024. So we'll do the MCQ and MHQ part today. From 2015, 1 mark CQ. Identify the mineral which has specific gravity greater than 5, hardness is less than 3 and gives grey streak. So here we have barite, it has high specific gravity. Barite, it is called as a heavy spar. But it does not give any grey streak. So galena also it has high specific gravity, that is less hardness is less than 3 and it gives grey streak. So according to this, galena will be the answer. And sphalerite, it has characteristic of it has 6 set cleavage and it shows igneous luster. Then which of the following is not a form of isometric system? So isometric system has 15 forms. There are 15 isometric forms and there are 33 non-isometric forms. So from which octahedron it is isometric, tetrahedron isometric, trapezohedron it is isometric. All three are isometric. So this is the rhombohedron. It is non-isometric form. It belongs to hexagonal system. Rhombohedral form belongs to rhombohedral class. The rhombohedral class has symbol 3 bar. It's called rhombohedron. So answer will be rhombohedron. Which one of the following mineral is correctly matched with its optical property? The first sillimanite, it is belongs to orthorhombic system. Sillimanite is belongs to orthorhombic system, so that's why it is anisotropic. So this will be incorrect. Then orthoclase, it is a mineral having low relief, so it is incorrect. Pyroxene, it has nearly orthogonal cleavage. So pyroxene has cleavage angle 87-93 degree. It is near close to 90 degree. It will be correct. Then garnet, it shows lamellar twinning. It is incorrect because plagioclase that show lamellar twinning. So answer will be C. The hardest mineral with the exception of diamond. So if you consider the most garnet, it will be talc, gypsum, calcite, fluorite, apatite, then orthoclase. After apatite, you have orthoclase. Then quartz, then topaz, then corundum. So if you exclude the diamond, so corundum will be the hardest mineral. So it has a composition of Al2O3. So corundum will be an oxide. Then talc, it is magnesium bearing, Mg3. Si4, O10, OH. Then gypsum CaSO4, dot 2H2O, calcite CaCO3, fluoride CaF2, apatite Ca5PO4, whole 3, like this. If you remember the composition, then you can know the which one is oxide, which one is silicate, which one is phosphate. So phosphate is your apatite is phosphate. Carbonate you will get CaCO3, calcium carbonate. Then silicate, in silicate you will get talc, that is Mg3, Si4, O10, OH group will be there. Then orthoclase, KAl, Si3O8. Then we have quartz, SiO2. Then topaz, will be SiO4, OH group will be there. So these four are silicate. So that is oxide is Al2O3, or you can say also silicon dioxide. It is also oxide. Then silicate we have 4 silicate, phosphate we have 1 phosphate, Ca5PO4 hold 3, and carbonate we have CaCO3. Your answer will be oxide. Match the group of minerals with corresponding structures. Anthophyllite, it is belongs to your amphibole group. So amphibole group, so double chain silicate structure. So which has a silicon oxygen ratio of 4:11. Then Hetermargite, it belongs to pyroxene. There is a single chain structure which is 1:3. And Coderite, it belongs to cyclosilicate. It also has 1:3 silicon oxygen ratio. The zeolite belongs to tectosilicate. It is 1:2. So I will be R, second I will be S, third I will be P. This one I equal to R, second I equal to S, third will be P, fourth will be V. So answer C. In which one of the following optical properties of minerals is not observed under cross nickel? The extinction, it always observed under cross nickel. This where the stage will extinct or goes dark. Interference color, it is a property of color property that show under cross nickel. Interference figure also under cross nickel. Only pleocloism, it is a property where mineral will change in color when rotated under plane polarized light. So here pleocloism, it is not included under cross nickel property. So pleocloism is a PPL property. So answer will be D. Then choose the correct stratigraphy projection among the following that represents 2, 2, 2. That is rhombic, dispennate. So this is the correct expression of rhombic dispennate. There is no mirror plane here. Only there are 3 two-fold axes. So answer will be this one. The change in coordination number of silicon when alpha quartz transfers to stishovite, which has octahedral coordination. So in quartz, that is in SiO2, Si has a coordination number of 4. When you will convert to stishovite, a high pressure polymer form of quartz, so its coordination number become 6 because it is given octahedral coordination. So 4 to 6, the change will be 2. So the change in coordination number will be 2. So answer will be A. Then comes to the MSQ question. In a thin section of 30 mm thickness, the Ri of mineral R, epsilon is given 1.656 and omega is given 1.468. So you have to choose the correct statement or statements about the optical properties. So mineral thin section 30 mm, then this is your epsilon that has value 1.565 and omega has a value of 1.468. So from which you can see epsilon is greater than omega. So when epsilon is greater than omega, it is uniaxially positive. So this will be correct option. The negative will be incorrect. So it has low to moderate relief. It has, we will calculate the retardation of the birefringence here. 0.097 is the birefringence, which is indicating low to moderate relief. So A will be the answer and D. A and D. First order interference color will be have low interference color, low relief you can say. So answer will be A and D. Then 17. Which one of the following mineral exhibit luminescence when exposed to ultraviolet light? So it is a property, luminescence property, that is shown by stillite. You can take the other example, diamond, stillite. Those are all are, they show luminescence property. They will glow when light will fall on them or when they will expose to ultraviolet. Which one of the following prismatic crystal form belongs to hexagonal crystal system? Which is prismatic crystal? So prismatic crystals are, you can say, crystals that one axis will be parallel to all faces, or you can say C axis parallel to all faces. Here actually the symbol is given 2 bar 1 knot. Here H knot, H bar L. See the symbol here, 2 bar is not copied. So 2 bar not. So here this C axis it is showing it is not intersecting any faces. So this will be a prismatic crystal. H not H bar L, it is not prismatic. Then not 1, it is basal pinacoid. So from this you can say here this place is 0, which is C place, so C place is parallel to all faces. When C axis is parallel to all faces, that will be considered as a prism. So prismatic crystal form belongs to 2 bar knot. Then identify the correct match between mineral and its physical property. Hematite, it will show cherry red streak. Hematite will show cherry red streak, it will be incorrect. Barite, it is high specific gravity, it is correct. Philomelen, it doesn't show calm structure with economic mineral. Azurite, it is blue color, it is not green color. Malachite is green color, azurite is blue color. Answer will be B, barite. Then which of the following sequence of silicate structures indicates an increasing degree of shearing of corners? So we have 6 silicate structure, meso, which share 0. Then sorrow, it share only 1 oxygen. Then iono single chain will share 2 of its oxygen. Then double chain it will share 2 or 3. Then cyclosilicate it will share 3. Then phyllosilicate or sheet silicate it will share 3. So cyclo will share 2. Then tectosilicate it will share 4. So increasing condition you can say from neso to tecto, this is the increasing of sharing of oxygen. First that will neso it will share 0. Single chain will share 2, phyllosilicate will share 3, tectosilicate will share 4. So this is the increasing order of sharing of corners in a SiO4 tetrahedron. So this is your answer A. Then mineral with point group symmetry 2 by M. It belongs to prismatic class of monoclinic system. So as it is monoclinic system, it will have two optic axes. It shows inclined extension in one knot knot section and straight extension in knot one knot section. Just remember, it shows straight extension in one knot knot section and inclined extension not one knot section. So this will both will be incorrect because one knot knot section it shows straight extension, not one knot section it shows inclined extension. And it is uniaxial it will be incorrect because monoclinic system it is biaxial. There is a question here, which of the following statement is or are not correct? One knot knot plane lie in one knot knot zone. So we have to suppose H1, K1, L1 it is a face or plane, H2, K2, L2 it is the zone axis. If this space will lie in this zone, then they will follow this condition H1, H2 plus K1, K2 plus L1, L2 if it is 0, then this face will lie in this zone. So I have to calculate this. So this face is lying in this zone, whether it is correct or not. So I have to calculate this, whether they are satisfying this condition, which is this is called as a zone condition. So 1 into 1 0, 1 into 1 0, then 1 into 0 0. So total will be 0. So this statement will be correct. Not to 1 lies in 1 not zone. Not to 1 lies in 1 not zone. 1 into 0 0, 2 into 0 0 0. So this will also correct. 1 not 1 lies in not 1 not zone. 1 not 1 lies in not 1 not zone. It will be 0. It is also correct. 1 1 1 lies in 1 1 1 bar. 1 plus 1 minus 1 will be 1. So it will not be 0. So this does not satisfy the condition of zone. This is 1 1 bar 1. This does not satisfy the zone condition. So this option will be incorrect.